Hey Foxy friends, it's Feathered Fox here, and we're going to frost our alien cake. I've got my green frosting mixed. I put it in my mixer to kind of fluff it up a little bit, and we're just going to kind of do a real light coat first, put it in the fridge, and then go ahead and do the main coat frosting to let it be ready for when we do our buttercream transfer. So we can get started. So this is probably as good as I'm gonna get this cake. There's a ton of crumbs and stuff in it, but I'm not gonna worry about it because we are doing the buttercream on top, the buttercream transfer. And I was actually just thinking about doing, I had purchased these purple sugar, decorating sugar, and I was thinking about maybe doing this all along the edge of the cake. I'll come back and show you all the colors I've got for my buttercream transfer. Okay, so we are ready to do the transfer. What you need is your printed picture. I suggest mirroring it, but mine was not mirrored, so I had to mirror the cake, so it's gonna hopefully turn out. Then you want to put it underneath a piece of wax paper, and I have mine on a frozen pan. Maybe I think it might help the frosting to kind of stay good, but we're gonna do a few things first and probably keep popping it in and out of the freezer so that way everything stays nice and set. And the colors I'm going to be using are white, blue, yellow. This is a mix between pink and some blue to make like a purple burgundy color. It's kind of hard to tell, plus it's in a yellow bag. Pink, which was the frosting I bought from the store, which was the Pillsbury Funfetti. Some purple, and our main color, green. So the color I'm going to start with first is the blue. We're going to do these little stars and circles, and then we'll do the whites in the eyes. So you want to make sure you do a little tiny cut on your bags. I just used Ziploc bags, and I probably just made that too big, but we're gonna give it a try. Do that, and then go ahead and do some of the white. I go to cut this itty bitty and it goes super size. Okay, so the eyes aren't going to be perfect. So now we're going to do, let's do the pinkish blue color first for the outline. Not going to be perfect, that's for sure. Okay. I think that's somewhat good. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the purple, and then we're going to go back to the pinkish blue that we just did real quick. We're going to do the purple so we can do our outline. So I stuck that in for like, I don't even know, 5 minutes or so. Now we'll do the eyes, the mouth, the little lines. I think I'm gonna go ahead, put this back in the freezer. Actually, I can color the eyes in. Let's color the eyes in. And then we're gonna put it in the freezer because this, I'm not sure if it's completely set yet. So we're gonna go ahead and fill the eyes in. Okay, so we are back. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna color these all in pink. Or we can do maybe a little purple in those. We'll do the center of that one purple. And we'll go ahead and do this purple. And I'm going to do a little bit of purple. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this white flower in. Use up the rest of that. Sissy too. Okay, let's go ahead and fill in these pink flowers real quick. Oh, no, no. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the blue. I don't know if you guys just seen that, but a big glob of pink frosting decided to drop onto my thing, so it's kind of messed up my blue flower here, so we're just gonna go with it. The yellow in between here. And we're gonna try this again with the pink. Hopefully it doesn't explode again. So, I don't know how I want to do. Try to keep it somewhat smooth. So we're going to put this in the freezer, and then after that we're going to do the main coat of the green, and it should chill for about an hour, and then it'll be ready to go on the cake. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and fill in the green, and then we're going to put it in the freezer again, and then we're going to take the green and go all over. So hopefully I have enough green. So guys, this is the final product. I'm so sorry. My camera died and I couldn't get it charged fast enough. I had to get the cake done because today is my sister's birthday. And I did take the sanding sugar, the purple sugar, and put all the way around the border of the cake. And as you can see, I made this buttercream transfer too thick, but I don't care. It's all gonna go into our tummies when we eat it, so not a big thing. Like I said, not perfect. Not perfect, like I said, but I had to, like I said, I didn't mirror my picture, so it's mirrored right now, so it's different, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I have 2 kids and they were constantly bugging me and getting on me for things, so I couldn't do it the best. I hope it's not too bad, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so sorry for the crappy videos. But again, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more cake decorating, I guess, or baked goods or anything like that. Let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.